Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing Lego Creator Set 31004, the Fierce Flyer. It has 166 pieces. It's a 3-in-1, so you build the eagle, and a beaver, and a scorpion. Let's open this up. Instruction books, parts, dump it all out. Okay, lots of brown, yellow, white. More brown, yellow, and white. I see a little blue stud in there. Mostly plates, not very many bricks. 3 bags and 2 instruction books. It looks like this one, you build the eagle. Shows you some different creator sets on the back. And the parts. And this one. Oops, I just threw my minifigure. Okay. So I'm probably going to build the eagle first, and then I'll probably do a comparison with this set, the little polybag eagle. So look for that. All right. Thanks for watching.